Hey friends, I figured I would show you guys a project I'm working on here in Mark Custom's garage. I'm working on a railing for a customer of mine, and it's gonna go in their upstairs space. And I'm working on some railings, and as you see here, they're spaced 4 inches apart. I've made a little stencil out of wood to keep the spacing perfect, and here I am grinding the welds on the first side, and as you see on this side I have to support the bottom, that way it's not, it doesn't lose its shape and all. So there I am taking it off the table. And actually the wood that I bolted on the bottom, screwed on the bottom, will stay there when I deliver this to the customer. It's important that it stays there to keep the rigidity of this railing. If you don't know, when you weld metal, it tends to flex and it tends to move around. So in order to keep it from doing that, that's what has to be done. I believe I'm gonna weld the other side real quick. That fume extractor is, I freaking love it. Can't talk about it enough. So yeah, here I am grinding the welds, and then here we are working on the shorter end of this railing. It's an L-shaped rail. The customer, saw something they liked off of Pintrest, and I said, yeah, we can do that. Nice sleek look to it. I'm gonna stand it up here in a little bit and you'll see. Yep, there it is. I'm sure the customer's gonna love it. I like the way it looks. Nice, sleek, simple finish to it. Well, I know this wasn't a tutorial video or anything, but hey, this is what we do here at Mark Custom's Garage. Take on jobs and make our customers happy. And those are just the mounting brackets to the wall. Well, till next time, guys, stay humble, hustle harder. Catch you on the next one. Peace.